Imagine a pond shimmering with colors where flowers float like jewels on water. Today, we are diving into the magical world of water lily farming, a blend of beauty and business. Whether you dream of creating a stunning garden pond or starting a unique farm venture, this video is your guide to cultivating these aquatic waters. Let's dive right in. Water lilies have mesmerized people for centuries, not just for their beauty, but their ability to transform any water body into a living painting. They thrive in freshwater ponds, tanks, or tubs and are in high demand for landscaping, floristry, and ornamental plant sales. But what makes them so special and profitable? Let's find out. These plants love sunshine about 6 to 8 hours daily. Use still clean water around 1 to 2 feet deep. Plant rhizomes in loamy soil mixed with compost, keeping the growth depth slightly above the soil. Then gently submerge the containers, and soon you'll see floating leaves and blossoms that look like art and motion. Caring for them is simple but rewarding. Trim dead leaves and flowers regularly. Watch out for snails and aphids. Use neem oil or fish that eat pests. Use aquatic fertilizers for healthy growth and vibrant blooms. And don't forget to clean the water occasionally to prevent algae buildup. Want year round charm? Try tropical water lilies, they bloom even at night. For cooler climates, hardy lilies are your best friends. And for profit seekers, rare exotic colors and patterns sell at premium prices. Water lily farming isn't just about flowers, it's about creating serenity that pays. With minimal space and care, you can turn calm waters into a profitable paradise. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture, where beauty meets business naturally.